In this guide, you'll learn how to sort time, date, and weather on your Android home screen. Let's get started. To begin, if you already have a clock on your home screen, you can tap and hold it and then press remove to get rid of it. Now to add the new widget, tap and hold on any blank space on your home screen. A menu will appear at the bottom where you can select widgets. Scroll down and look for the weather option. Tap on it to expand the options. You will see various widget sizes. The one you want is the weather and clock widget. Scroll down. You'll also find the section for weather and clock. Select the one that you want to add to your home screen. Once it has been added, you are also able to customize its size in this way. To save it, click anywhere on the home screen and you are done. So this is how you can easily show time, date, and weather on your Android home screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.